Blessed love and greetings, this is Queen Omega, giving thanks and praises for Reggae.fr, the best music. And I want to say blessed love to Sasha and the whole crew. Thank you for the blessings, for defending reggae music. Yes, for representing all generations of reggae music, reggae artists. Reggae.fr to the world. Cause we the fittest, I feel survive. Reggae.fr. Tell them the fittest of the fittest shall survive. My people, open your eyes. Wake up, no compromise. Come make me slew the beast in the skies. The fittest of the fittest shall survive. Reggae.fr. Open